Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be tackling a common question that pops up for a lot of DIY mechanics. Where in the world is my IAT sensor? IAT stands for intake air temperature, and this little guy plays a big role in how your engine runs. So, you've popped the hood, and you're looking for it. The first and most common place to check is right on the intake tube itself. This is the big plastic or rubber hose that runs from your air filter box to the throttle body. Scan along that tube, and you'll often find a small sensor plugged into it with a wire connector. That's likely your IAT sensor. Now, if you don't see it there, don't panic. Automakers love to combine parts. Your second stop should be the mass airflow or MAF sensor. The IAT is often integrated right inside the MAF sensor assembly, so find your MAF sensor, usually located right after the air filter box, and UV likely found your IAT as well. Hope that helps you locate it. If this video was useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips. Thanks for watching.